Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. AMCA is a name that needs no introduction for defense lovers. It's going to be India's indigenously developed 5th plus generation fighter jet. But what was more exciting about this fighter is the pace with which its development is moving in recent days and has really surprised the aviation industry. In today's video, we are going to talk about two major developments related to this AMCA program. The first update is regarding the manufacture of AMCA tunnel intake duct model, and second update is regarding its engine. Talking about the AMCA's tunnel intake duct model, as per the recent news, the Aeronautical Development Agency or ADA had issued the tender for the development of high-speed wing tunnel intake duct models of AMCA at estimated cost of under 60 lakh. The invoice for the same can be seen in the video. ADA has planned to further study and collect data on AMCA model with divert-less supersonic inlet. The AMCA's tunnel intake duct has went through major design changes and hence this test is being conducted. The VEM Technologies Private Limited has started working on AMCA 1:1 scale model, which will go through outdoor radar cross-section RCS test management facility in Hyderabad later this year. It will help to identify the actual RCS measurement that has already been predicted by the RCS simulation software developed by NAL. The 1:1 scale model will help to prove the measurements that software had predicted. The 1:1 scale model will also use radar absorbing components that has been developed for the engineering model of the aircraft. The model of AMCA will feature divert-less supersonic inlet intakes along with other changes that were seen in the Aero India 2021. The second update is about India's indigenous engine development program for AMCA fighter jet. To better understand the engine development, let's have a little background on AMCA program. In 2018, India opted out of the Russian 5th generation jet program of Su-57. The main reason was transfer of technology involved, which was not satisfactory enough. India realized that to become a superpower, it has to be self-reliant in defense sector. If you closely look at the timeline of AMCA project, from the start, that is from the year 2010, when feasibility study of AMCA project has begun, you will find that AMCA project has went through many hindrances and setbacks. The main challenge that DRDO's engineering team has to face was AMCA's engine. The same challenge was with the Tejas development program as well. The thrust requirement of AMCA is 110 to 125 kilonewtons. Initially, DRDO was working on development of indigenous Kaveri engine K9 and K10 in 2015, but soon they realized that Kaveri engine was not suitable for 5th generation fighter aircraft due to several reasons such as decayed performance at high altitude, combustion flicker, insufficient thrust, and noise at high throttle testing. The engine development program went back to drawing board. DRDO was now looking to reboot the engine development program with the help of foreign partners. This time many offers were made to DRDO from General Electrics, Rolls-Royce, Safran, Pratt & Whitney. But the deal could not struck due to the intellectual property rights and transfer of technology except for Rolls-Royce, which agreed for government-to-government deal for developing the new engine for indigenous fighter jet. Currently, DRDO and Rolls-Royce is developing a framework under which both companies have decided to co-develop and create new jet engine where India will be owning the intellectual property rights. Both the companies will share the cost, and the joint intellectual property will allow each joint owner power to independently sell, license or otherwise exploit the technologies that they own IP without the approval of other partner. In simple terms, DRDO will be free to use or license the copyright and create authorized jet derivatives work without the consent from Rolls-Royce. Equal profit sharing will be distributed among the partners on the sale of each jet engine. The Rolls-Royce engine development program of AMCA is a win-win situation for both the partners.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.